Hello guys, today I'm making a bird's nest so the birds don't have to make one themselves.
Okay.
And let's get some cranberries for them to eat.
You're helping the birds?
Yeah. Put it here.
Wow. And then?
I'll get some cranberries. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. That's enough.
Okay, 4 cranberries.
Show.
4 cranberries here. And let's put them into the bird's nest.
Oh, ang dami ng food ng bird. Wow, good job.
It's falling. Bye.
Bye, Kalara.
Bye.